Okay, perfect. So for the first section, which is the header, okay, and we also needed this navigation over here. So for this one, I really like this version. But if you can see over here, we have, let me see if we can find as per like this one. It is clean, okay, and even this one is also very clean. We can take inspiration from here. And let me see if we have the branding. We can take a branding here from here as well. So let me just copy that. Yes, I think save as. If we have SVG, that would be super wonderful. And this is PNG. I'm sorry, we don't have SVG. Let me see if we have in the footer save images. So in SVG, what we can do is we can basically, you know, like change the color if you want, and that's in a vector format is very good. All right, now let's see. Let's paste it over here. So this is the logo and black, and let's see if we have white as well. Copy image. All right, and let's go back to Figma and paste it. So this is the logo and black, but they have applied some property over here, which we can definitely apply over here as well, which is basically the difference, I think. Yes, so for now, if I place it over here, no, I think this was not difference. Let's see what we can exclude. Hard soft. I don't know why it's not working, but we will really need the, but I think this is fine. This is fine. I will show you why it's fine. Okay. All right. So I will take the header from here. I really like it and I will use it. Okay. So the first thing first, let's do it one by one. First thing first, we will apply the colors. So this should be this color. Perfect. So you can see over here, this is the power of, you know, like the style guide. Okay. Now for this one, we will use two different font. For, I think they already have it. So this is the main roof, and let me just see over here what font we have. So for headline, let me see which font this one is. So this is Urbanist. We will definitely change that. And for the body text, let's see what we have over here. So we have Urbanist as well. Okay, so I will change this to maybe, I think the headline should be one is grotesque and the other one is clash display, and I will use this font in everywhere. I will apply to all the styling over here. Okay, this one as well. All right, perfect. I think we did the font. All right, so now if I click on this and let's apply the first one, you can see over here, this is the font is applied over here. Okay, so I think we even need a bigger font than what we have over here. Since you can see over here, this is the bigger font, it's used over here, so we will definitely try that. But so far, for now, it's fine, we can use it. But since I really like this one, and which is why I pick this header. Okay, so let's apply this logo here and paste it over here. All right, arrow, left arrow, and delete this. Perfect, the logo is applied. And then now let's change this. So we have home, copy the text. Usually we don't have home, but since we already have at over here, so we will use it. Okay, then the main thing, which is the game servers, so I will use it. Okay, then we have guides. All right, and then we have support. Oops, support, and lastly we have about us. Okay, but one other thing, they have login, so we will take this login and discard to all the way to the right over here. Okay, so I think they don't have any. Let me just go if they have some cart stuff as well or not. Okay, so let's see if they have some cart. Okay, so buy now. All right, configure your server. I don't think, no, they have just like, you know, buy button, so we don't need to worry about it. Okay, so I will, instead of this, I will use button. So for the button, since we already have component over here, okay, I will take the button from here and here. This is the button left icon which I will be using, so just copy this. Okay, come to the work area and paste it. All right, so this is primary, and if we have secondary color, this is white. So secondary, we can make it. For now, I will make this button, let's apply black for now. Okay, and I will change this. I will change the secondary from white to black, so let's do it like this. Okay, let's undo and go back to the main component, and let's see where we have the secondary colors, secondary button. So here is the secondary button. Let's select all of those. All right, instead of the white color, I will change this to black. Okay, and instead of this black color, I will change this to white, so we can see the text. Okay, and perfect. Now this one should be also white. Okay, and this one should be white. Sorry, this one should be white. All right, so this is enabled. Then we have left arrow, so I think we will also change this stuff. So this text needed to be white. All right, and this one should be also this. Instead of this focus should be also white, and I will keep the disabled like this. All right, so I will make this to white. Perfect, we have the button created. All right, this one is phrased, so the phrase should be the fill should be something like, maybe like this. Okay, so this one is phrased, and yeah, let's do it. Go to workspace and use the change this to secondary color. Okay, so now we have sign in, and we have, I will select both of those, and I will give it maybe 12 pixel. All right, and need it to be right align. And in here, this is sign in, right? So for the sign in, I will get rid of the icon. I don't need the icon for sign in, but for the Discord, I will add Discord icon. Okay, so let's try and Discord. Let me see if we have Discord. All right, I don't have icon for it, but I will try to find it online. Okay, so let's go to icon scout and see if we have the icon here. It's loading. Right, Discord. Yeah, let's see this. I will just copy those both one here and this one as well. I really think I should also take this one as well. Perfect. So now this is basically 12 size. I'll make it 24, so I will select all of those, make sure this one is linked. All right, and the size should be, let's try 24 pixel. Okay, and lastly I will, so Discord, simple Discord and Discord color. Okay, and I will create a component set of Discord. All right, so now let me just select this one, search bar Discord, and we will apply. All right, for this one, for the color, you can see over here I will make it white. Perfect. So now we have the Discord. Even I really think we can give it a color as well. So I will just detach this one and give it this color, so it look like it's a Discord. Okay, and we can see over here this is focused, so instead of focused, this is secondary, and left position, main, first, the main, and we don't need a stroke here, or maybe the stroke should be, I will give it a stroke like this maybe. So no, I think we should get rid of a stroke for now. Perfect. So we have created the navigation and it's perfect, and we can use that. Okay, now let's get to this point where we have this one, copy as a text. I will copy it and I will paste it. Okay, so take the guesswork out of the game server hosting. All right, so for this I will take it to all the way over here. First thing first, we also need to make sure like how much size I should do it from left to right. I think the 32 is fine. We can do that since the size of this one is, you know, like 1440, right? If it extend to 1920, these stuff will be middle aligned. So I think for now it's fine. Okay, and for this one I will detach this one and I will give it maybe like 120 pixel of the size. Okay, and let's see how it coming up with. Instead of 120, let's try 110. Okay, and 110, and I think this is fine. We will just play with the letter spacing, and this one should be, let's give it a white. This one should be the same color and make this one should be white. Okay, so let's make it white. All right, I'm sorry. Perfect. Now we have take the guesswork out of the game server hosting. Okay, so now this is almost the same, nearly the same like this. Okay, and even we can do it, we can give it another, like we will decrease this text. Okay, and we will increase this one. All right, and one other thing that we can do here is I duplicate this. I will make sure to do this differently, and then in here I will decrease this. Okay, so the line height is now decreased, and this is the perfect. This is the perfect. I will auto layout, give it auto layout. Okay, and the size is fine for now. From I can definitely play with it later, but so far so good. Okay, this one is fine. All right, now we have this stuff over here, which is, I will paste it. Let me see if we can. I think this is fine. Yes, wonderful. So now we have this server and this image. We already added this over here. Now it's time to add the subtext and this CTA, and of course backup by 7 days money back guarantee. So I think we should also put those details. So for these details, let me also take help from, we already have the buttons, but let me see if we can do some of the stuff here. So it will also give, you know, like a clear idea that much user we have in this system. So I think, especially if you can see over here, this one is blurry, but this one is, you know, like trusted by that much user. So we also needed to take it over here. Okay, perfect. Now this one, we will apply the 16 pixel. We have the 16 pixel in the body text. So yeah, this is the 16 text, and for the size, this should be okay, completely white, and this one should be 100%. all right, so we can see the text clearly. All right, so far this one and this one, I will make it this one as 18. We can do it like this. Okay, so this 80 is fine here, and even this one is also fine, but I will apply our own style guide here. Okay, so for this one is 14. So let me see if we have 14 here. Yeah, we do have. Wonderful. So we have created our header almost, but last but not least, we have this button, and as well as we have this like backup backed by our 7 days money bank guarantee. So I think this is very good. We can do that. Okay, so let me just go to over here to the design area and see how does they have. I think this is perfect. This is perfect. Even this one is good. This one is very, very good. Okay, so I think we should take this take it from here. Okay, copy this and boom. You know, this process will take some time, but you need to be mentally prepared for that, and I know we will make a very, very good progress. Okay, I'm showing you the real process. So for this one, I will make it maybe 100, and for this one, I will make it completely white. Okay, so which one do you like, this one or this one? So 25k users, 110k maybe downloads versus community or something. Okay, which we can definitely changed. Okay, so yeah, I think instead of this, what do you think? This one will be a lot of text or not? We have it over here. Okay, so Instead of this, I will just keep it. Maybe we will do A/B testing. So this is the home page. All right, we need to work properly. And for this one, this needed to be fill container. Oops, this needed to be okay. All right, hug content. Okay, so this one is now middle align. Perfect. Now we will do two things. One will be with this one and one will be without this one. All right, and let's put the button. So for the button, let's come to the style guide and let's see if we have the proper button. So I think this, we will use this button. Go back. Why this thing is here? Select this button, go to workspace and put it over here. And this is the primary, main, small. This one should be large. Okay, so we need a large button here. All right, so here we have start your server now. Start your server now. Perfect. And for this one, I will make it like let's try for this one start. So for server, let's see if we have some server icon. Oops, let's see if we have some server icon here. I think for now let's use this one, or even we don't need let's get rid of the icon. Okay, boom, we created our first ever from where did this image appear? I think this is because of now it's the image, because of the internet, the image just loaded up. Okay, so we don't need the image, I'm sorry. And for image, select this, unlock background, and then delete this. Okay, all right, so I think so far this is the best ever design we have created for this one. Okay, and I think for this one let's decrease the size to maybe like this, and let's apply it over here as well. And for the button, let me just put it over here. Paste the button here. Perfect. We will definitely now go ahead and get started working with the auto layout. So I will group this and this. All right, then we also need to group this along with this one and this one, and this one is fine. Perfect. So now this is auto layout. All right, and from left to right I will give it 32 pixel. All right, so we have a clear stuff here. Now for this one I will make it let me just put it, sorry, I will select this, Command X, put it inside, and I will just ignore the auto layout from here and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so now everything is auto layout. For these two, I think we will use not small button, let's use a medium. So for medium, why it is, let me just go back to the component and see. So, okay, so we have medium secondary, and for every text we need to, for every button we need to change this the stuff. Okay, so we did changes here, now we will do the changes in here. Okay, so to do that it's very easy. Again, let's change this primary 500 to something like 20 maybe. All right, no, this is basically the text, so I will change this to 0. This one should be okay. Zero. This one should be completely black. Yes, perfect. This one should be completely black. This one should be maybe 10, or let's try 20. Okay, and this one should be, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. Let's try it, since it was the text as well, so I will make it white. All right, so far so good. Let me also change, let's do the changes inside as well. So change this to pure white. Okay, all right, now I also need to do the changes, so we will do changes the rest manually. Okay, let's do that. Change this to black. Change this to white. Let's change, instead of except this disable, because disable we don't need highlight color, so I will change this to pure white. Okay, perfect. Now for this one, for the first one, I would also need to change this to pure black. Okay, perfect. This is done. Now let's go to the large one. So for the large one, let's change this to pure black. Okay, and this one, yeah, this is perfect. Now this one, and this one, let's change this to pure black. Yes, for the disable is fine, but for this one I will need to change this to white. So let's change this to white. Perfect. Now the button is created, and let's go back to our workspace. So now we have this button, and this one is, you know, the property is now perfect, but let me just do a large one. Yeah, I think it's perfect. These are perfect. Okay, so far so good. We can let's apply the color. Let's apply the color of Discord here, so we have a good stuff here. Now what I will do, I will just duplicate this text, take this text inside over here. All right, remove this and remove this. Perfect. So and now in this one, what we can do here is we will take this to here. Perfect. So now we have the banner is created, and yeah, it's we user sometimes call it about a fold or whatever you call it. It's created. It's perfect. So for the next section, which is basically this one, we also needed to show that to the user. We have something which I think I really like in one of the design, which is very good, and I like that. So let me see which one was that. Yes, I think this one would be very, very good. So I will take it, I will copy it, and I will paste it over here. So for this section, what we can do here is, let me see what size we have. Oh my god, this one is 1600 by 900. Okay, so we can do 1440 as well, but for this, since we get started with the 1600, we will do it for the rest as well. Okay, since it's in auto layout, I will take it all the way to over here and here. Perfect. Now one thing that we can do is, of course, we need to match that with the theme. All right, so for the for this one I will get rid of it, and let me just select this. Instead of this gray color, I will use our primary color. Our primary color for this one as well, we can definitely change and play with the text. For this one, let's try 500. For this one, let's try this. Okay, and for the right one, I will go with maybe 400. Okay, so yeah, instead of 400, let's try 500. Okay, so boom, we have created the second. But for this one, I think let's do the pure black and see how is the experience here. The text, I would want this to pure white. Okay, and this is 56, so let's apply the font as well. So for this one I will use, okay, I think this is a lot, so let's try maybe 45. Instead of this, it should be 70, so it should be 64. Let's try and change the text size to 64. 64. Okay, so let's apply this, and the line height should be auto. Okay, perfect. Now let's put the details here. One thing that we forgot in here, we have like baked by 7 days guarantee, so I think we can do it very quickly. I will just copy this. Okay, and this is the text which I needed to replace, so let me just, I will just copy and paste this one. All right, and for the icon, this is basically the shield icon, so I will just go ahead and find it very easy. To find it very easy, I will just use this and search for shield. Yes, this is the shield icon. Perfect, we have it already. And for the color, I will use this color. Okay, and the text is fine, and yeah, let's group it and paste it over here. It should be inside here. Okay, now let's decrease the spacing. So the spacing should be here as, I think 86 is fine. Okay,